Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Octopath Traveler 0 game not launching or not loading, black screen lagging, crashing or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings and choose device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings, then choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord for console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. If not, next is to check for Octopath Traveler 0 update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, try to play it. Next is to clear cache of Octopath Traveler 0. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, tap on See All. Here search for Octopath Traveler 0, press menu, choose Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserved Space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings, under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Once done, try to launch the game. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to reinstall Octopath Traveler 0 game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Octopath Traveler 0, then press menu button and then select Uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Octopath Traveler 0 official website and download the game and check if it's fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can play the game once again without any kind of issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.